Hey guys,
Real-time video
Hey.
under the rain, close to the beach,
beach is here,
and,
and it's historic beach actually. There are so many monuments around here.
like always, Turkish coffee.
This is the different style of the Turkish coffee. This is some kind of like a workshop when you go to in Turkey. If you ask coffee, they will give it to you like this size, like with this glass.
Yeah. So basically, real-time update. We are on this road trip, so we couldn't upload a long video or edit a normal video because we are on the road. We don't have internet, so we're just like outside, and we are enjoying time together and nice exploring, having fun. So
Don't worry, we are taking so many videos, and we will put on this.
I think when we arrive in Italy, we can make like a whole video for this entire trip.
Let's see how it will be. Like we are taking our time. We are going slowly, not like getting crazy to rushing for some place. So we are taking our time, going slow by slow because there is always highway to go faster way, but we don't want it that way. We wanted to see the places, enjoy place, and
like slowly, little by little, and also we have the diesel heater inside the camper, so we are very warm inside.
Yeah,
and
thank God.
Can't wait to go inside because it's freezing outside and raining.
Okay guys, take care.
Thank you.
And if you guys wanted to actually buy us a coffee, what they have to do, Roberta?
Here is the QR code and the link, or if you want to join our Patreon community, rain came on the screen.
Yeah.
Here is the QR code and the link. Bye bye.
Take care guys.
Chin chin.